All right, y'all. So Monday is the last day to vote, and make sure y'all go and vote because I already know I'm about to go and vote probably tomorrow, and I'm going to vote for Trump. And
no, you're not. A fuck about vote for Trump.
Yes, I am. I'm going to vote for Trump.
Not even
F. Kamala.
My name didn't come to you, but F. Kamala.
What are you talking about? Like, anyways, Trump, if you hear this, just know I'm voting for you, son. Like, period. Like, I'm voting for you, my son. Babe, you coming?
No.
Why?
I'm voting for Trump.
Okay. Why? I thought we was a couple. We supposed to vote for one party. That's it. We're Republicans. Now let's go.